Hi, it's Tiffany Johannes with Remax Executive and Charlotte Home Experts. I'm here to talk to you about what I hear every day in and day out. What's happening in the market today, Tiffany? This is something that everyone wants to know. It's top of mind, and it comes up in almost every conversation I have. So let's get to it. What's happening in the market? Well, first off, we are seeing that rates are starting to stabilize a bit. And what we're seeing in the Charlotte market is we ended the year with an average sales price at around 411,000. That is pretty substantial. That growth over the last couple of years has been tremendous. For an example, if you owned your home in January of 2020 and still owned it in July of 2022, you had gained on average 54% equity in our market. That was 5-4 guys, 54%. So that is huge. So even though we're seeing the markets slow down a little bit and our inventory is down about 32%, we're starting to see that inventory build up gradually because we are seeing that sellers and buyers pause for a while during the fall when interest rates were climbing pretty rapidly and everyone was just a little bit concerned on what's happening in the economy. Now, as we've entered the new year, what I'm seeing in the market is sellers starting to come and figure out how to price their homes, how to get it on the market, and how to sell it. Now, a seller today has to really be price conscious and they have to be ready to go in terms of getting their house together. When I talked to sellers, average days on the market in December was 41 days. It's a far cry from 14 to 20 days in the past 2 years. But 41 days is not crazy, it's not insane. It is getting us to a healthier market. Now, when I look at what's happening in the market on the buyer side, I have buyers starting to come back and say, hey, we want to get into the market. What do we need to do? What makes sense? What is a healthy decision for us? And with rents on the rise in our area, coming up with a strategy and a plan, they're finding it does make sense to still buy. So I think as we move in further to the spring in 2023 in Charlotte, we are going to see more buyers and sellers coming to the market and moving forward. It's a healthier market. It is a market where buyers don't have to make a decision instantaneous, but sellers also have to be able to give a little bit in today's market. We saw a lot of price reductions towards the end of 2022, and that was as a result of aggressive pricing by sellers. So I think as sellers move into this market and see where they need to be, we'll have less price reductions and more opportunities for buyers to have a less competitive market to win opportunities in. So that's what I'm seeing for 2023 right now. If you have any questions or you'd like to have a consultation, I'm here as your expert advisor to share information and guide you whether it makes sense to buy or sell today or not. I'd love to share that with you. I'm Tiffany Johannes with Remax Executive, and I thank you for your time today and look forward to chatting.